Sagittarius Degrees 6 to 10 explained. When the waves rise, what keeps a team steady? Today we cover degrees 6 through 10 of Sagittarius. Monday we did degrees 1 to 5, from shared fire to night vision. If you missed it, catch that after this. For now, let's jump right in. Sagittarius 6 degrees. Team play. Symbol, a game of cricket. Essence, train the will to work with others. Skill, fairness, shared rules, collective aim. How it moves, clarify roles and timing. Practice handoffs, not heroics. Rules as scaffolding. Boundaries sharpen creativity. Drills and rituals build trust and flow. Shadow, rigid team think. Scoreboard ego, following form without spirit. Winning at the group's expense. Sagittarius pillars of this degree. Role clarity. Fair play scaffolding. Collective rhythm. Sagittarius 7 degrees. The knock at the heart. Symbol, Cupid knocks at the door of a human heart. Essence, a call to intimate courage. Devotion that rises beyond roles. How it moves, a sudden pull toward what matters. An encounter cracks the shell. Idealize, then reality check, then commit. Private initiation. Some choices won't fit the crowd. Shadow, romantic heat that burns the map. Obsession, secrecy, or ditching community wisdom to feel special. Sagittarius pillars of this degree. Brave devotion. Initiatory honesty. Personal choice over crowd. Sagittarius 8 degrees. Inner forge. Symbol, deep in the earth, new elements are formed. Essence, heat plus pressure plus time remake the inner material. Quiet transformation prepares a truer self. How it moves, deep work off camera. Steady therapy, practice, craft reps. Protect the gestation window. When the new element appears, align habits to support it. Shadow, confusing isolation with growth. Overcooking in secrecy. Glorifying pressure as progress. Sagittarius pillars of this degree. Slow transformation. Protected gestation. Integration habits. Sagittarius 9 degrees. Step by step. Symbol, a mother leads her small child up a steep stairway. Essence, skill building with care so independence can stand. How it moves, teach the stairs, not just the walk. Model, assistant, release. Break big climbs into short, achievable landings. Shadow, over-helping that breeds dependence, or withholding help and shaming beginners for not already knowing. Sagittarius pillars of this degree. Guided ascent, stair-by-stair design. Skill with dignity. Sagittarius 10 degrees. Spotlight and spin. Symbol, a golden-haired goddess of opportunity on stage. Essence, ambition is staged and sold. Spectacle entices effort with promises of progress. How it moves, promos and pageants. Awards and viral launches. Shiny narratives that channel personal drive into big agendas. Shadow. Forced growth. Propaganda. FOMO. Branding that pushes pace beyond integrity. Burnout, dressed as destiny. Sagittarius pillars of this degree. Meaning over spectacle. Conscious ambition. Narrative hygiene. And that's degrees 6 through 10, y'all. If this helped you see Sagittarius in real life, tap subscribe so you don't miss 11 to 15 on Monday. And if you're catching up, watch the 1 to 5 episode next. It pairs perfectly with today's lessons. See you soon.